Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So I'm back out here at the park for some more RCing, some more RC fun. And today, guys, I brought out my Traxxas X Maxx. This is the 8S version. I brought this guy out because I'm testing these Lipo batteries here. Now these Lipo packs are huge. They're 6S Lipo packs, 5,200 milliamp hour, 120C. So this company sent me these batteries here for me to test out on something that's 6S though. These things are 6S. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Here we go. Now the thing with this, can't go beyond 8S with this guy, and so I don't have anything else that can run a 6S. But if I add these two together, I know it's going to be 12S. But there's a method to my madness to testing these things. So what I did is I created this thing. So this is a parallel adapter. Hope you guys can see that, what I did there. Well, let me explain it to you. My idea is to run these two in parallel instead of running them in series. So if I run them in series, it would be 12S. That's if I just plug it up the normal way. But if I run it in parallel, it'll still be 6S, but it'll just double the milliamp hour, which would be what, 14,000 milliamp hours, because these are 5,200 milliamp hours a piece. Hopefully I soldered this thing up the correct way. Hopefully my understanding on what parallel connections are is safe or sound or whatnot. So what I did was I soldered these two negatives together. I soldered the two positives together, and then I ran positive from the positive side to here and a negative to the negative side. And so this plugs in correctly this way. So we'll have the negative on the negative side and the positive on the positive side. Both batteries will plug up to these XT90s. And then let me plug that in there. And then I soldered up this thing. It's basically a connection with these two soldered together to connect the minus and positive on this side to complete the circuit. And so hopefully hopefully my theory is correct in the way that I soldered everything up. So let's get it. Jeez, a squirrel just darted by me. These things are huge. I can barely get these things plugged in, or I can barely get these things locked into place on here. So let me try to get everything secured. Found it a little difficult to snap them into place, but they do go in place. Gotta snap it hard. Okay, so they're secured now. So we're going to plug both sides up there. And then once I plug this thing in, it should be a closed circuit. Hopefully this thing doesn't fry. Hopefully I didn't do anything wrong. I heard a pop there. So let's try to power it on. So we're powered on. Everything seems to be working. Let's get the top back on it. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's running. And it's got punch too. 120 speed discharge rate. Got some litter bugs out here. Try to go over this side. It's running like a champ. So far I'm loving this thing. I still haven't upgraded the steering servo. I think that's the next thing that I have to do for it. So this definitely got punch still. Maybe still just a tad bit more punch on ADAS. Maybe. I'm not sure. It seems like it wheelies the same and all. Seems like it's just as fast. Man, bugs are just flying all in my face. Just a crowd of them. This thing is a heck of a lot of fun. When you guys get a chance to get one of these, I would definitely say go for it. It's definitely worth it. Man, these bugs out here are notorious. Man, it actually seems faster. Might just be me, but this thing seems extra fast. Maybe it's the C rating giving it more punch. This thing is booking though. So these batteries are awesome. I definitely recommend them. If you guys are interested in how I soldered up that rig and everything in order to run this thing parallel, let me know. I'll do a video on it if you guys want me to. Oh, not the tree. This slow servo, man, be scaring me sometimes. Sheesh, bug went right in my ear. Sheesh, why are these bugs gonna fly in my ear? I'm trying to duck to get away from these darn bugs and still can't escape them. Oh, not up there. This thing wheelies coming down a hill. try to take off from here. That wheelie bar saves me all the time from flipping it over. Front flip. Let's play in the leaves a little bit. And the trash from the litter bugs out here. Oh. Now I'm guessing it shouldn't overheat though, because we're only running 6S and this thing is 8S capable. And I didn't do any gearing up or anything. Everything is still stock on it. This is an extra long runtime. The control range on this transmitter is awesome too. Man, these bugs are following me everywhere. Oh. Oh, flipped over. Ah, I tried to go around the tree, man. Front flip. And I wasn't going fast enough that time. Man, these bugs. Still got power. One thing is definitely not flipping over. So I'm not going to run it the entire pack, but you guys get the idea. 2 amp hours. rclipobattery.com is where you go to get these things. I think they sell on Amazon as well. I'll have links in the description for you guys to check them out. And thanks for watching. This thing outlasted me, y'all. I'm turning it off.